Hey, what's happening, ladies and gentlemen? Elton McFall here, aka Retro Old School. A little bit tired today there. I just made it at this show here in Montreal, and it only took me like 2 hours to get here. So I'm pretty worn out. So this is the first car I filmed here at the show here in Baie d'Urfé, almost at the tip of the island of Montreal. And man, I cannot remember the last time I saw a, this is a 68 or 69. There's a lot of these darts around, but not many left as four-door sedans, quite frankly, and it's very, very original. And all the more reason why I like it and I want to record it, because I'm not an average classic car enthusiast, you know? And when I mean average, I mean people who only love, you know, Mustangs, Camaros, Firebirds, muscle cars. I mean, I like them, but I'm not in the average. I love the unusual cars, and that is an unusual car nowadays, which used to be plain Jane economical transportation back in the day. Chances are this car has got the slant 6-cylinder and 225, or what was the other one? 248. And look at that, decent amount of room in the trunk there. Seems kind of odd that the hubcaps are missing. I don't know why. Maybe the owner's afraid of losing them, you know? Especially since this is Montreal with our wonderful, godforsaken, shitty roads. Even I couldn't believe coming up here on the bus how crappy their condition is on the road here, Lakeshore. Look at the beautiful Lakeshore road. And the road is in terrible condition because there's so many buses running on it. That's interesting. Look at the buttons on the door handles. They're black. Is that original? I'll tell you one thing that's original. It's probably this paint job looks original. It's a nice little old car. You know what it reminds me of also is, there's your Chrysler Pentasar symbol. They started using these as their symbol in, I think, 65? Anyway, this car also reminds me of one of the greatest car movies ever made, which was Duel. Steven Spielberg's first movie. Look at that. The seats would actually push forward like that on a sedan? Wow. And they're buckets? Wow, that's weird. Just look at that the nice smart-looking dashboard, instrument panel. Very simple. Of course, looking at this here, it's funny. It also reminds me of a video I watched before I left my house. One guy I'm subscribed to there called Uncle Tony's Garage, and this guy's a Mopar nut. And basically, it was a video showcasing a 68 Plymouth Belvedere, which was a step up from this, and he's basically showing, like, you know, what to look for when you're looking for an old car, especially if it's not mint like the one he was showing. Hey, j'aime bien ton dart, mon ami. Ah ouais, je suis un weirdo, là, je suis pas comme tout le monde qui tripe ses muscle cars pis des Corvettes, des Camaros. I like the weird stuff, parce que tu sais, des darts, là, des 4 portes, il en reste pas beaucoup dans ces années-là, là, tu sais, c'est tout des 2 portes. Puis c'est un 68, 69.
Ben, c'est pas à moi, c'est à mon...
Oh, I speak English too.
Oh.
Where is he, close by?
Yeah,
Would you do me a favor? Actually, you know what? Would you do me a favor? Since I'm visually impaired, I'm making a little video for my YouTube channel. Can you tell me what the mileage is on this car? Because it really doesn't look like it has a lot at all.
No, it doesn't.
It looks to me like almost like it has original paint even. Very intriguing indeed. Did he ever tell you what he did with the hubcaps? Did he take them off so he didn't lose them, or?
Yeah, he's not a fan of hubcaps.
He's not a fan of hubcaps.
Show off the real wheels.
You know, it's one of the advantages of coming to this particular type of show is there's a lot of English people because this is a very Anglo part of town. Yeah. So, what does it say? Like 60 something?
No.
11,000?
No, it's 100. Yeah, 11,400. But
well, it's funny because...
C'est quoi le millage? Il est arrivé. Oh, 110.
Oh, that's what I thought it went over. Il a retombé à zéro. Very nice. J'aurais jamais pensé qu'il y avait des bucket seats dans un 4x4. C'est vraiment bizarre.
Non, en fait, les bucket seats étaient dans le GT.
Yeah, OK. Fait que c'est vous ou c'est quelqu'un d'autre qui les a changés?
C'est moi qui les ai mis.
Ah, right on.